Hey, hey. Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by and clicking to watch my video. Please do not make it your last. Kindly hit the subscribe button that you see down below to get subscribed to this wonderful growing channel, okay? And to my amazing returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. I really do appreciate your presence here every single time. As y'all can see, we're rocking some new full locks look LOA. So, and these ones are quite longer than what I'm used to. You guys, let me measure it. Let me measure it. 32 inches. So I'm rocking hair that is 32 inches long, and you can't talk to me anyhow, period. Like 32 inches of hair on my head, and somebody just tried to talk to me some type of way. Sis. Now, no kidding. Let me not waste any much of your time. The thing about this, the thing about this style is that I used some full locks hair that has no loop, you guys. If you want to see how to achieve this kind of natural looking full locks and you have hair that have no loop, do like this, because I got you. If you do not already know, if you've not already seen my salon visit video, I think I'm going to link it in this one. See, the thing is, I don't know which one I'll edit first, but I'm starting with freshly washed hair. When I say freshly washed hair, I went to the salon and they did the thing they get. So my scalp is extra clean. I deep conditioned because I want to have this hair in for a long time. So I wanted my hair to be fit to take on this protective style. So I had my hair washed, deep conditioned, and slightly blow dried, like nothing serious, just to stretch it out a bit and put it. And I had them put it in this 6 chunky braids. I'm going to be walking from the back to the front. Wish me luck. So the hair that I'm using is from Darling. Yes, I use a lot of Darling products. It's very easily accessible, and the products are nice. Like, Darling come up with innovative ways to make it affordable yet luxury looking hair available for us Rasta locks. So yeah, Darling, if you're watching, I do not mind the sponsorship. Shameless, yeah, I know. But I don't know if I want to cut mine. I don't know. Still, I don't know if I can handle 42 inches of hair, but we'll see. I already started off and did the first 2 sections of chunky braids off camera, so here we go for the rest of the hair. You guys, this was a long, hard work. I thought it was going to be a piece of cake, but no, it definitely wasn't. I think I started before 12 noon that day, and yes, I was chit-chatting. I was not 100% focused while making the hair. I cooked, I did other things. I became serious with it like around past 7 in the evening. And I finished around past 3 a.m. the next morning. You guys, I was a mess when I got to work. I was a hot mess. So I'm loosening the section I want to work with. I'm going to oil it, comb it, and start to section. Now the key thing about this style for me is, especially about doing my own hair, is I tend to be able to achieve my styles with as low manipulations as possible. So the patterns were not precise in any way, trying to make them look as natural as possible. No precise pattern. I'm not gripping my hair too tightly from the roots, aka protective styling, all that good stuff. So for this method that I will be using, I just fluffed out some part of the locks, the full locks hair, up to the length of my own natural hair, because it is this fluffed out part that I'll be using to wrap and cover up my braid, my actual hair. I give credit for this method to Inkem Jeffrey. That was where I saw it and I figured, wow, this one is quite easy to do, and it's going to make more sense for me to use this method while installing this particular type of locks on myself. So this is a lot easier than the one that I did some months back. I'm going to link that for you all to go see. And yeah, so unlike what she did, whereas she just she wrapped up to the full extent of the lady's hair just to cover up the braids that was created, me, I had to wrap to the full extent of my actual locks because I was using the slim faux locks hair. The raggae locks hair that I used is the slim one. So after just wrapping to the point where my hair stopped, the the size of the entire locks became awkward, because up to the extent that I wrapped the hair, it was kind of bulky, and then the rest of the locks were now very slim. So it just did not make sense to leave it like that. If you want to get this hair and you have thick hair like me, you might just want, and you want to do this hair in large sections, you might just want to get the I think it should be fat, or the fatter locks, the fatter raggae locks. I don't know what they call that one, but this one is the slim one. Okay, I just needed to give some explanations before the clear visuals. So in subsequent clips, it's going to be slowed down. By the way, guys, thank you so much. If you're a returning subscriber, I really do appreciate you. Like, you've brought me 398 subscribers strong, you guys. That's like play. I'm looking at 500 subscribers in the front there, just right there. It's in the front there, but there's some of you that are yet to subscribe. So I just want to appeal to you to hesitate no more. Kindly hit the subscribe button before you exit this video. Remember to give me a thumbs up and kindly share my video so that it can reach more people. You guys, we have to get to 500 subscribers before the end of 2021. I believe we can do this, but I cannot do it on my own. So kindly subscribe if you are yet to.
One eternity later.
Really? Wait. Sis just tried to talk to me some type of way. She must have missed the memo. Like, you can't see me in this and talk to me anyhow. Like, sis, she missed the memo.